Welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today, we're diving deep into mastering list operations. Lists are incredibly powerful in Python, and understanding these operations will supercharge your programming skills. Let's explore. We often start by creating lists to store collections of data. The list is enclosed within square brackets, and each element is separated by a comma. In the provided snippet, we create a list named MyList containing the numbers 1 through 5. Sometimes we need to create an empty list as a placeholder. Let's explore how to do that. Here, we create an empty list named EmptyList. An empty pair of square brackets indicates that the list contains no elements. We can also use the list constructor to achieve the same result. Lists are incredibly powerful in Python, and understanding these operations will supercharge your programming skills. Let's explore. List operations allow us to manipulate and work with lists in Python. We'll cover several key operations that you'll encounter frequently in your Python journey. Append add elements to the end. Extend add elements from another list. Insert element at a specific position. Remove element by value. Pop remove element by index. If no index is specified, pop removes and returns the last element of the list. Slicing extract a subset of elements. Reverse the list. Min and max find minimum and maximum elements. Sort the list. Index find index of an element. Clear the list. These are just a few examples of the many list operations available in Python. Experiment with them in your own projects to become a list manipulation master. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!